Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share Deck the Year 2025 hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. And I have another autumn themed. This is the 4x6 index card um, that I altered, and I'm using this free uh, digital from, I don't know how to pronounce it, Heath or Heather and Yawn Studio. I hope I'm bad with names. But she had this beautiful autumn freebie on her site, and I picked it up. I was like, oh my gosh, look how cute these images are. And I just printed these up on, this is just regular cream cardstock, and look how beautiful. I love that guy. Gina would call him a dirty old man. Look how cute they are with the with the pie and pumpkin, and it's just a really cute freebie. And I don't even know if these are all what you get. So that is such a generous. Usually it's only like one or two, um, sheets as a freebie, but she gave like, I think it was like 6 pages for a freebie, and I was like, oh my gosh. So in the background, I have this Echo Park wood plank paper, and if you can see, there was something printed here. There was a little fox here, and I just wanted the the wood grain in the background. So I covered the whole index card um, with that paper. This was a tag, and this was just a um, rectangle. What do you call it? Rectangle image. And then this was Autumn Vibes that I cut out, and then there was this like doily with leaves. I cut that out, and I just kind of just layered it on the card. Then I brought out my fall stash. I have some of these little table scatters, leaves. I made this finger bow with some gingham ribbon, and then I added a wood veneer acorn to it. So it was just a little, a little cluster. Oops, I'm out of frame. And like always, I always ink the edges of everything with my walnut stain. Um, and I called it a day. September 18th. This is week 38. Wow. Almost done, guys. And I just love how that turned out. So I want to thank Penny for this great, awesome uh, open collaboration. Um, if you guys want to join us, you just have to use the hashtag. I'll have the hashtag in my title, and I'll link Penny down below so you can go check her out, and go and visit the hashtag and see what everybody else is creating. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.